In this video, I am going to show you how to change avatar on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on your profile, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, you have to scroll down to the avatar section and tap on Edit. Now you have to select appearance. Once you select on appearance, it may take a few seconds to load the screen. So now if you simply want to change the appearance of your avatar, like for example its clothing, the hair, makeup, face or body, then you can very easily do that on this section. Once you're done, you have to tap on save, which is present at the top right side of your screen. But if you want to change your avatar completely on your Facebook account, what you have to do is that first tap on the three dots which are present at the top right side of your screen besides save. Then tap on delete avatar. Confirm it by tapping on delete once again. By doing this, you will be able to easily delete your avatar. So now, if you want to change your avatar, you have to wait for a few seconds until the deletion process is completed. Once it is completed, you have to tap on use different avatar. Now tap on the plus icon. Now from here, you have to select whether you want to create your avatar from a selfie or you want to create manually. So I will select create from selfie and easily take a selfie from my camera. Once you take a selfie, you will be redirected to this page. So now from here, select your body type and tap on save and continue. So once the loading is done, you have to tap on done. And by doing this, you will be able to easily change your avatar on Facebook. So select the new outfit for your avatar and tap on save, present at the top right side of your screen. And by doing this, you will be able to easily change your avatar on your Facebook account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.